Hi, you are watching Farming Discover channel. Now we will show a video on Palm Pro lightest carbon fiber harvest pole cutter. This is a tool used for multi-purpose works like coconut harvesting, arecanut harvesting, leaf and branch cutting, also helps as a sprayer tool. What is carbon fiber? It is a strong, stiff and lightweight material that has the potential to replace steel. This harvesting pole cutter is easy to use and can be adjustable to height as you need. Cutter helps to cutting branches, coconut trees, unwanted leaf. Therefore this multi-purpose tool can be very helpful for farmers. This will be a best tool when farmers are facing problems in harvesting or spraying for coconuts and arecanut.
Oh.
And for more details contact this number. Thank you for watching. Like the video and share with your friends. And if not subscribed our channel, subscribe Farming Discover.